Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses and land in any condition in South Louisiana and the Mississippi Gulf Coast. I just left the closing. We just purchased this land, this lot. We're in St. Bernard Parish in Arabi. You can see it says for sale by owner. Not anymore, I'll take that sign because we closed on it today. So we've actually been speaking to the seller for a while. It's a bit of a sad story actually in that he'd built the house new. There was a new construction home. He was going to rent it out, and in 2022, one of those tornadoes in Arabi hit the house and totally decimated it. So he actually spoke to us initially in 2023. Was looking to sell it. We were speaking about it. We just weren't quite aligned on price. He wasn't quite ready to sell. But we kept in touch, and he reached out to us just recently, and were able to agree on price, and we closed. So you know, he's needed time to process it, and now we're here. You know, you can see there actually is a new build next to us, that someone has built new, and there's another lot here. So we're right near the train tracks. So I'm guessing this tornado took this whole row out, and that was one that built. It's right near the school here, so it's a good area. It's going to make a nice house. We do have the train track, you can see, but it's a nice large lot. Definitely something you know, next to this school that would be good to be rebuilt. So we're happy to help this community come back from the tornado. We'll love to get a new property built and have a new homeowner ready for it. So look, if you're selling a house or land anywhere in South Louisiana, we're buying, reach out to us. Go to homebuyerlouisiana.com. We're happy to chat to you about the process, give you an all cash offer. And if the numbers don't work, that's fine. Just like it didn't work initially on this deal, we don't do a hard sell. We'll just let you know our numbers. But if it does work, or if you change your mind and come back, we're here, always here, and we're always buying. So reach out to us, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Thanks so much, guys.